covered 36 miles.
36.
Course is 310.
Imagining that I was well in the lead, I pulled over to call James.
Hello?
James May,
Yes, hello.
what speed are you doing?
Well, we've been cracking along at 23 knots plus at some points. It goes like stink.
23 knots, wow.
Is it exhausting?
No, I want to say it's bloody uncomfortable and unpleasant, but Sir Ben Ainsley is sitting next to me, so I can't really say that.
Can you congratulate him for how good he was in both Gandhi and Sexy Beast?
At this point, the producers showed me a tracking device that revealed where James actually was.
Oh my giddy aunt. That can't be right, according to this.
You're miles ahead of me.
Are you still talking to me? I can't hear you.
No,
Holy cow. Get off the phone, I'm busy.
Hello?
James was 170 miles from the finish line, whereas I, because of the unique way New Zealand is shaped, was still heading in the wrong direction, with 340 miles to go.
What if I lose this race, people? If you're campaigning now to stop the government building 2,500 windmills in your back garden to provide you with enough electricity for the pump in your fish tank, and I lose this, I can only apologise. I'm trying to help you out here, but I'm losing. And I'm losing badly.
Anyway, tonight we are having a race up the side of New Zealand from here to here.
Yep, it's James in a £700,000 boat versus me in the fastest car in the world, a £65 a day rented hatchback.
Now, when we left the action, I was here and Jeremy was here, so I was winning, but I was very miserable.
Splash the caravan.
On board HMS Misery, life wasn't getting any better.
This is all I get to eat on the boat. A melted bar of chocolate. And a bag of nuts, and you'll have to beat that word.
Life in the car, now I was on tarmac roads, was much more comfortable.
Radio. Crowded house, nice, local band. Now let's just try another radio station. Radio 3.
After 60 miles of crowded house, I was finally heading in the right direction. But I was approaching the often crowded city of Auckland.
According to the tracking device, James is now 100 miles ahead of me. Dear God, let Auckland be clear.